You really want to make money online with crypto without any bullshit? Then stay tuned. I'll show you what actually works. No hype, no get-rich-quick schemes, but real strategies with potential. By the end, you'll know 10 ways you can get started today. But a quick disclaimer, my channel is not financial advice. It's purely for informational purposes. First, long-term investing, meaning buy and hold. For example, in established coins like Bitcoin. With regular investments, meaning dollar cost averaging, you build wealth over the long term. It might sound boring, but it's the simplest and most stress-free way. Second, staking, earning interest by holding. If you want to hold coins like Ethereum or Solana or others and earn returns at the same time, you can stake them. You receive annual returns for this. Simply passive, perfect for hodlers. Then there's crypto lending, lending out your coins. Platforms like Aave or Compound pay you interest when you deposit your crypto there. But be careful, always consider the smart contract risk and only work with reputable platforms. Airdrops, claim-free tokens. Many new projects give you tokens for free, just for testing or participating. Examples: Arbitrum, Optimism, Starknet have given out airdrops worth several $1,000s in some cases. Use tools like airdrop.io, Layer 3 or Galaxy, then complete quests or testnets. Rewards for your activity. Platforms like Galaxy or Eigenlayer reward you for network testing. You collect XP, badges, and sometimes even tokens, with a bit of effort but without money. Great for getting in early. Then DeFi or farming. Let your coins work for you. With DeFi platforms, you can provide liquidity or earn interest. Examples: Uniswap, Curve, Pendle, or GMX. But always understand the risks. High returns are not a gift. There are always risks involved. Then freelancing. Get paid in crypto. You can earn crypto as a designer, developer, or writer. Websites like CryptoJobs or LaborX make this easy. You work and get paid in stablecoins or tokens. Then affiliate marketing. Monetize your recommendations. Exchanges like my favorite crypto exchange BingX or Miexi or wallet providers like Ledger all offer affiliate programs. You earn money for each registration or trade that you refer, for example. And for the person who clicks on the link, there's usually a bonus as well. So it's a win-win situation. And you don't need any starting capital for this, just reach or a good recommendation. Then, content creator. Build your own brand. Create YouTube videos, TikToks, or tweets about crypto topics. Monetize it through AdSense, or also through sponsors or your own products. Then, digital products or NFTs, for example, or membership offers. So, sell premium content, but also newsletters or ebooks, for example. You can even offer exclusive community access. What's important is that you provide real value. So as you can see, there are many ways to make money online with crypto, without scams, without lies. But you have to be smart, get in early, and recognize your opportunities. If you want to dive even deeper into the world of altcoins, then I recommend subscribing to my channel. I analyze altcoins and create price scenarios. And if you want even more, then check out my 10x Elite membership. There you'll find my current watch list, a look into my portfolio, and the 10x ranking list, where I have all the altcoins I've ever analyzed on one list, including scoring, links to the YouTube videos, and information on where you can buy each altcoin. And if you want personal feedback from me, then I recommend my 10x coaching. Together, we'll take a look at your portfolio and your strategy. You'll find all the links in the pinned comment or in the video description. But be aware, spots for the 10x coaching are limited. Be sure to leave a like if this video provided value to you. And let me know in the comments, which of these methods do you want to try out? And if you want to get started with my analyses now, I'll link to videos here that are extremely interesting and even surprised me.